Close. Close. Go ahead. Close. Go.
Oh. Oh.
Good. There we go. Good. There. Just give it a little push. This one. Okay, so I'm going to start by adjusting in the mid-back first, okay? So go ahead and take a nice deep breath in for me. All the way out. Come down within, just give it a little push. One more time, please. Deep breath in. All the way out. So I'm going to hold you here. My legs are going on top of yours, okay?
Okay.
Nice deep breath in. All the way out. Very good. Hold you. Actually, this arm goes underneath and then right on top. Okay.
Oh.
Nice deep breath in. All the way out. Very good. More time. Close. More time. Very good. Okay, so we're going to do some adjustments with my tool here, okay?
Okay.
So I'm just going to lay this right across the jaw.
Okay.
Very good. I'm going to lift up your mask just a little bit for you.
Oh.
Okay. So go ahead and open up for me. And close. Open up. Close. Open up. Close. One more time. Open up. Close. Open. And close. Very good. And same thing here. Go ahead. Close. Go ahead. Close. Go ahead. Close. Go ahead. Close. Now open. And close. Very good. Open. Close. Open. Close. Open. Close. Open. Close. Open. And close. Very good. So go ahead and take a nice deep breath in. All the way out. More time, deep breath in. All the way out. Just relax it. Legs flat for me.
Oh.
Very good.
Oh.
Lift up. Good. How'd that feel?
Amazing.
Pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
Nice. Do a little pull here. Very nice. Same thing here. gonna come in, head all the way towards the side for me, okay? Just relax that shoulder there. Just give me full control here. Just do me a favor, drop the head to the left.
Oh,
How'd that feel?
good.
Awesome. All into my hand. Just relax that shoulder, okay? Same thing, just drop it towards the right, drop it. Very good. I'm gonna do another go here. More specific for this jaw, okay?
Okay.
Just relax the neck. Drop it towards me, drop it. Very good. Perfect. Just relax it.
Oh,
Great. Lean back just a bit.